What's up, everybody? In this video we're going to take a look at HTML and how it is used to create web pages and websites. If you haven't been to this website before, w3schools.com, it's a website that you definitely have to familiarize yourself with. It's got anything and everything that you need to know about building websites, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, all that fun stuff. So pretty much what we're going to do today is I'm going to give you an introduction in HTML. Not going to go too in depth. I'm just going to get you started, and what you'll have to do is come back to this website and start playing around and learn some stuff about HTML. So you might be asking yourself what HTML is. It stands for Hypertext Markup Language, and it doesn't really mean anything. Just something to know. HTML is a language, or markup language I should say, that is read by all browsers. Right now we're taking a look at Firefox. And every time you go to visit a website, what happens in the back end is a server gets your request to visit the website. It renders out the web page and sends your browser back a whole bunch of HTML. You can view the HTML of any website. All you have to do is, if you're in Firefox, you just have to right click, view page source. And this is actually how the whole entire page is made up, from all this HTML and tags, add some CSS for styling, and some JavaScript for user interaction. This is a little much right now, so we will get started. All you really need to do in order to build your first web page is get a text editor. I normally work with Coda, which is a little bit of an overkill for what we're doing today, but I like it, so I'm going to stick with that. So HTML is made up of tags. The very first tag that you need to create is an HTML tag. Every tag that you open with these characters, the tag name, and then close it, you need to close the tag as well too. So any standard HTML document always starts with an HTML and is closed within an HTML. Next part we need is the head tag. Once again, anything that you open you have to close in the same order. And then right below that we will do the body. So here are the basic tags to get started. Right now, if we save this, we'll save it as index. You can either save it as .htm or HTML, it doesn't really matter. And normally index is the first page that you will view when you go to a website. So we'll just hit save. Go back, open this up. And obviously you're not going to see anything. But if we go to view page source, you're going to see exactly what we typed in here before. So if we just want to add a little bit to this web page, we can start adding some text. So we save this, go back to the browser, and refresh, and there you go. You've got some text on the page. Not very fun, whatever. Alright, now if we want to add a little bit more, we can add a title to our web page. All we have to do is it has to be inside of the head tag. Head tag is pretty much just it will contain your CSS, your JavaScript files, and any kind of metadata. So pretty much anything that's in the head tag does not get displayed in the actual web page itself. So what we can do here is say my first web page, save it, we go back, and every time you save it you have to refresh the page. So I'm doing Apple R, and you'll see up the top my first web page. So you can create the title of any web page that you would like. And now, since we're in the body down here, we can copy this. White space does not matter. You can see I've got tons of white space in between the body, HTML. That doesn't matter at all. I can delete it, add more spaces. Doesn't change a thing. Same thing goes with inside the body. So if we hit save here, you're going to see that these are all in different lines. But when we go back to our browser, hit refresh, it's all on the same line. Why is that? Because we didn't give it the tag to create new lines. So to create a new line, you're going to do BR, and you want to do a / and close it. BR is one of a few tags where it doesn't actually have, you don't need an ending tag. So if it's just going to be a single tag, you need to have a space, / close it. So now what that'll do is create a space, a line break between the two lines. So if we save it, go back, there you go. Alright, just a couple more tags that we can show you. If you want to do italics, once again you open and close it. So that will make that whole entire sentence italic. Or if you want, we can do bold and italic. So we have bold and italic. Say we just want the first letter or the first word here to be italic, and the rest of it will be bold. Save, go back, and there you go. Just like we had it before, we have italics all for the first one, then we have bold and italics right here, and bold just for this line as well too. And just like I said before, you can right click to view page source, and I'll show you the same thing that we just typed up. So there are tons of tags that you can use for HTML. All of them are listed in W3 Schools right here. So it's time to turn off this video and start programming. If you got any questions, hit me up on Twitter, Dan Ramos D, or my email is dan@motionpause.com.